In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll down to hit this section called Privacy and Security. Trust me, I tested it before. Here at the top you can click on Location Services and manage location thanks to this switcher at the top. If it's green, that means that location is enabled. To disable it, click on green switcher and confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Turn Off. To turn it on, click on the same now grey one until it's green. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!